whatever. They all and also eat. Think about it. You see some of them exploring people who sell fries on the streets, street food made with oil. You see some of them trying out local delicacies, different type of soup for themselves, but ensuring they are staying healthy. You see some of them doing the normal staple food, which is rice, chicken, stews, and trying different flavors to it. You see the other one still doing fries. You just keep seeing them doing these fries. Some other people take swallow with vegetables, mix with flour, things that they call swallow. Others do soups, and the others do different variety of rice. Guys, you even see them at events making food. So what's the point? It means there is so much agro money in the food sector. So if you know how to cook or you make food that are very, very tasty, then you need to take this course, which is a step-by-step guide to starting a food business. See, in this course, you're not going to be taught how to cook because it is expected that you already know how to do that. What this course we focus on is teaching you the business of cooking, especially if you're starting with small fund, so that all of the street food we have, you can begin to make money out of it. And this amazing population can also begin to make money for all of them. So sign up on this course today on Agrodemy. And if you're already signed up to this course, I can't wait to meet you in class. Thank you very much.